up? My name is Los. This is a sparkler. That's my friend Mikey holding a $10 million plaque. This is our whiteboard. And that's my Maserati that I didn't rent, I own it. Now that I've got your attention, I'm gonna talk to you about why your business is not scaling. And it has nothing to do with the cars, and it's got nothing to do with the plaques. It's got to do with the fact that you don't understand how to have conversations with the people that you're trying to sell things to. See, I created a method, and it's called C4. It stands for content, conversations, community, and conversions, because that's what you're gonna get. Your business is gonna explode if you have these three pieces. So let's talk about the first piece right now. It's content. See, a lot of you guys kind of building a business to $10,000, $20,000 a month, but then you're stuck and you're wondering why. The big reason why is content. You're not expanding your content, or you're not creating enough content. The easiest place is to start doubling down and making more money with your brand and building influence, having influence in your ecosystem, in your niche, in your marketplace, is with content. We're gonna do that through all social, including YouTube. And if you really want to scale and get to 7 figures, you've got to figure out the content side of things. You've got to start posting more stories. You've got to start amplifying your message, and you've got to start expanding in situations, working on things like YouTube, Facebook Messenger, and things like that. Okay? So that's number 1. If you guys aren't focused on content, you're losing. The second thing is conversations. So conversations are critical for you to actually start having success. It's critical to the conversions that you have more conversations. And if you're just doing one of these things, you're not gonna have enough conversations. You need to focus on your content, and you need to amplify your message. Paid advertising. This is how you amplify your message. You are losing to people like me who are amplifying their messages with paid advertising. See, we've used paid advertising to grow every single one of our businesses. That 8-figure plaque, that's just one of our businesses. We do another 8 figures combined with all of the other brands that we have, and it's because we're focused on amplifying the message through conversations. Now let's talk about the third thing. See, a lot of you guys are not building community. If you're not building communities, you're not really building brands. The world that we live in is people buy things from people. People are focused on community. You see all these Facebook groups that are huge, that are growing. You see the communities that are building on Instagram. These are platforms that are based off community. That is how they grow. But you're not building community. You're just focused on this one thing, or you're afraid because you think it's going to waste your time. It's what's going to amplify your message, and it's what's going to get you to grow. So the big thing that we say here is that you need to focus on community, and that's going to be Facebook groups. Starting a Facebook group is very, very simple. Everybody that's coming in through your ecosystem needs to go into that, continue the conversation, build community, engage, create relationships, and grow, okay? And the last one is conversions. If you have all of these 3 things combined, you're going to get sales, and that's all conversions are. Conversions are sales, but conversions don't happen overnight. Conversions happen when you put content into conversations, build community, then people just buy your stuff because they know every single thing about that product or service. Now, if you're struggling, we have a system. It's called the Influence Engine. We help you set up the C4 method to help you scale your business from $20,000 a month to $100,000 a month and above. So we've scheduled some time for you guys to have conversations with us and see if you are a good fit for our community. And if so, we'll let you know what it's like to work with us on the Influence Engine. So click the link below or swipe up, but stop wasting your time and caring about things like that, because the cars, that's not what matters. It's the people you impact. I'm out.